What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Hey, it's Halloween, it's cold, it's nasty, it's rainy, but it's spooky season, and I'm gonna throw something today, and I'm gonna try to upload it tonight for Halloween. So you guys stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you exactly what we're gonna be fishing with here in a second, but let's get it. No one wants any candy today. Looks like we're gonna be the only ones out here, huh? Yep. That's unfortunate, because we're gonna catch them. Alright guys, here's the spookiness. You ready for it? It kind of freaks me out, honestly. I hate spotters. Look at those things. Woo! Lunker hunts. Got a black widow and whatever the heck this thing is. But we're going to toss this one around for a little while. You know, we're going to go an hour, and just flip them around, see if we can't get them to bite this thing. Like I said, people have caught them out here with it, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. I've actually thrown it maybe once or twice, and I've had a lot of fish come up at it, but never do take it. But we're gonna rig it up on something. It's hard to rig up because I put it on a spinning rod, a heavy spinning rod first, and it was fine. But I'd like to be able to throw it on a bait caster. But I'm gonna try to throw it on a 7-foot medium heavy with some pretty light line, and then if that doesn't work, then we'll go back to the spinning rod, I guess. So. Alright, I'm going to tie it on this one. I'm going to tie the black one on this one, and then I'm going to tie the yellow one out on this other spinning rod, see how it does. I'm going to compare the two. It's a little chilly. Hopefully they're nibbling today. I'm just going to work in and out of these pockets. Alright, here we go. How to fish it. I'm going to fish it kind of just like a frog, I guess. I think I'm only going to be able to do overhand cast on this. Not too sure that I like throwing it on this. All right, spot number 2. Let's see if we can't get a bite. I just want one bite on this. Just one. It's not too much to ask for, right? Water temp is 61 degrees. It is like 48 outside, 47. It is cold. Gotta do it. When you see some big ones, you gotta try to catch them. Got him. Oh, it's a crappie. Holy huge crappie. Oh my gosh. Thing looks like a freaking bass. I guess. Wow, that's awesome. Take him home and fillet him up. Those are just big crappie in there. I'll be dang if they didn't look like bass down in there. I want to catch another one of them jokers. Got another one. Heck yeah. Dang, it's so weird. These things look like big bass up under there. I don't know. Just seeing them very good. Cool. I just had a bite. He didn't want it though. There's one. Oh, it's a bluegill. Oh no, look at that. Look how dark that bass is. Choked it. Oh my gosh, he choked it. Look at that. Boom. There's your first fish on a spider. I'm gonna take a picture of this. I had one blow up on it there. Oh man. Oh, he came off, man. He came off. It caught me off guard. No. No. Dadgummit. Oh, he caught me off guard. Caught me sleeping. Oh, oh no. It's a better one. Not a big one, but hey, it's a fish. Let's go. I'll tell you, when they swallow this thing, they freaking swallow it. Look at that. Let's go, baby. Alright, we should have 4. Missed 2, caught 2. All right, guys, did the best I could. Caught 2, had 2 come off. I mean, not bad for a bait that you typically would never really throw. So, hey, thank you guys for tuning in. Happy Halloween. I know you're gonna be seeing this a couple days after, but you know, this is what I did on Halloween. So, see you guys later.